God damn, that is one sexy ass furry.
What the heck?
That's really funny.
Are you Bugs Bunny?
Bugs Bunny.
Bugs Bunny? No? What are you, a gay bunny? Yes, I knew it. You look like a gay bunny. Do you have ass? Ass, please, ass. So, okay. Yes, please kill me.
Ready, say that. Okay, come on. Ready?
Oh, fuck it out.
Yes, like you. No. Yes, what the?
You think you scared me, you little rapist?
Fuck you, bunny. My name is Bees.
Oh my god! Oh my god, you're sexy, bro. Oh my god, you're so beautiful. You're beautiful. Like, you're the man. You're the shower. You're the shower. Yes. You're beautiful. Stunning, amazing, love it. We were talking about drugs, and then the shit shows up. Can I take a picture? Can I take a picture for Snapchat? Okay.
You're from Five Nights at Freddy's.
Looks like a little fucker.
I forgot your name.
Brooke, pose. I'm gonna do a flashlight. Yes, sir. Oh god, get this from my face.
I'm not sure.
Yes, sir. Wait.
Absolutely terrifying.
Oh.
What the hell? You got Easter baskets? No? It's offensive. Oh, that's nice. It's a nice.
Wait.
Oh, yeah.
What's she keep throwing me?
Oh, hi. Oh, it's a bunny. I love it. I'm Clown.
You're beautiful.
You want to be my lover? You marry me? Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Bro, you kids.
Oh,
Oh my god. Do you know what that is? Who are you gonna kill? Guys, are you secretly just a killer? Because I want to be your friend. Oh. Then I can't talk to you.
what you trying to get into? Huh? What you trying to get into? Why you dressed like a rabbit? What you trying to get into, cuz? Why you dressed like that? Why your ass red? Oh, you got it, big fella. Whoa, big fella, you got it, dog. Let me just get up and go away, big dog. You got it. This nigga got a knife.
Oh my god. Hi. You scared me. How are you? Say hi. Where are you from?
love you. Oh my god.
It's fine. Are you the bunny skin from Fortnite?
The bunny?
The bunny?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, go like this. Yeah.
You weren't
Do
scared.
this.
Are you a woman?
No, like this.
The baby. Do the baby.
Alright, you know what? Just don't be my ass, bro.
You're like, shh.
I'm sorry. Okay. I'm sorry.
Boys,
I'm sorry.
Listen.
I'm sorry.
Can you talk?
I'm sorry.
Where are you from?
Holy shit. Bugs Bunny went downhill.
Oh my god, what the fuck is that?
When I see a black person,
What are you? Are you furry?
when I see
Are you a
black
furry?
person, I'm gonna ask the all important question.
Are you a furry?
No, I'm not.
Wait, so what are you? Type it in, because I know you don't talk.
If we get a black person from the UK, we're set.
What? You don't talk. You can't see.
Hello.
Oh, okay. Then how'd you get your way on omegle? Or you just can't see through the mask?
Oh my god.
Oh, what the hell? It's a furry.
I'ma tap that shit.
Come here. Let me see your butt.
Let me see your butt.
Yeah.
Let me see your butt. See mommy's way. Mm-hmm. Oh my god, Vanny! Vanny! Sorry. I didn't want to get so excited. I have a pig. Do you want to kill it? Oh, hell no, bitch!
I'm not as brave to speak. Hi! Wanna be besties? No, I don't. I'm not gonna. Besties! I like your horror style, actually. I'm not afraid. I'm actually the weird kid. I like this. Bro, this is actually cool. Right. I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
What? You got a knife, you're a freak. Underdeveloped brain. Fucking hell.
Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh my god.
Okay, wait, but that's not fun. Like, that's actually you're mentally ill. You're ugly and mentally ill. What the fuck? Yeah, you're mentally ill. What no, wait, bitch. That's mentally ill. Like, what's with your eyes? Like, you.
KYS 40.
It's Indian out of his mind. Yo! Fortnite! Oh, he's got red eyes. Vanny. Nasty, so Vanny.
Oh, fuck. Maybe we can after, ¿no?
Bugs Bunny, qué miedo. Me está dando miedo. Arrebatado, dando vueltas en la jipeta. Pero. Ay, por favor, quítenlo. ¿Qué te pasan los ojos? Bartrofi. Que no paro. Smug. ¡Ay, qué va a estar con un costel! Smug de cola, porque no se lo ve. I think you. I got you this today. You're so. 911. My golden phone, okay? My golden phone. 911. He has a knife. 911. Yes. I'm leaving.
Sure, she valid. Oh my god. Oh my god, he valid. He looks like an animatronic. Yes, kill me, please. Kill us, please. We're super suicidal. Yeah, really. Like a lot. Oh, shh. Okay, we won't talk. Shh. Olive, shut the fuck up.
You were my everything. Don't so what
It will stop presenting. Why? Because. Look.
Demasiado guapo. Uy, ¿qué coño es esto, hermano?
Espera,